Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Foundation app and remove wallet easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall the Foundation app from your device, start by locating the app icon on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Select the option that says remove or uninstall. In some devices, you may need to tap on app info. Tap on uninstall to proceed with the removal. A confirmation prompt may appear, asking if you are sure you want to uninstall the app. Confirm your choice by tapping OK or Yes. Now that the app is uninstalled, let's move on to removing the wallet. Open the Foundation app again, if it is still present. Navigate to the Settings section within the app. Look for the option labeled Wallet or Manage Wallet. Select the wallet you wish to remove. There should be an option to delete or remove wallet. Tap on this option to delete your wallet. You may be prompted to confirm your action. Confirm by pressing OK or Yes. Once completed, the wallet will be successfully removed. Finally, ensure that your device is optimized by clearing any residual data associated with the app. Go to your device settings and select Storage. Find any remaining files or data related to the Foundation app. Clear or delete these files to free up space. Your uninstall process is now complete, and your wallet is removed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.